Hello mga ka-psycho! This is Randy Deliosa, the only Filipino who is a psychiatrist, clinical psychologist, and master psychotherapist, all rolled into one. Happy 2026! Panahon na naman ng paggawa ng resolutions, di ba? The problem lang is that di naman natin tinutupad ang mga resolutions eh. 1 month pa nga lang, o kahit nga 1 week pa lang, sira na yung resolutions natin. So, here's a psych hack I have for you. Imbis na resolution, you choose a word or phrase that you can tell yourself verbally or mentally that will remind you of a change that you want to make in yourself for the whole year of 2026. Personally, for this year, I want to be a more compassionate person to others. So my chosen word of the year is kindness or be kind. So whenever I meditate for a few minutes throughout the day, I use the word kindness as my mantra, repeating and feeling the word over and over in my mind. And whenever I experience difficult situations with difficult people, I withdraw for a few minutes and repeat the word kindness, be kind, kindness, while taking some gentle breaths until I actually calm down. Ang daming positive words or phrases na pwede mong pagpilian. Halimbawa, be grateful, or tiyaga lang, or trust God, or chill lang, or move on. Psychologically speaking, your positive words, plus a gentle breathing, acts as a form of self-talk that shifts your emotions or changes your frame of mind. How about you? Ano kaya ang positive word or phrase mo for 2026? Drop it below and don't forget to visit randydeliosa.org, okay? Till our next video, happy 2026 and always take good care of your mental health.